We are doing fireworks. I like fireworks. Alright. Keep it on recording, so.
Recording it?
Who bought you the truck? Donna, who bought you the truck?
That scared me. They hurt. Put your head down, Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
I'm not a whip, don't. Hey man, what? Man, dance rider.
Hi guys, we're just lighting up fireworks here. We can go behind the boat and like
row. We should sit on the boat. They should put a row of fireworks and just light each one. And have it.
Yeah.
No, because then they'll get burned from another one.
Okay, we're just really scared here. I'm really scared, man. Is recording too. Yeah, I'm recording with my dad's phone.
You know the raft thing?
Hey, want to go on the
fireworks and have
you want to go on the boat? Want to go on the boat?
No, I'm gonna go on the boat.
Because we won't have time. And I'm not gonna go because we won't see the fireworks. Yeah, we will. I mean, we will, but like, we won't have time to like climb on and all that stuff. Okay, he's about to light it up.
Sand from Vivian.
Huh? Yeah. When that was all dry down and everything ready to go, she just threw sand at me. Like wet sand, so I had to
We
dry
went to
off
the lake today, too. Well, we didn't record it. I wish, but Ben had his waterproof, but his dad didn't let him use it.
Yeah. Look at that. It's going down. If it touches a tree or something.
Okay, that's ours right there.
Yeah.
I think the night's gonna be a hard time to sleep for me.
Like you're gonna.
Whoa!
What happens if it doesn't even like blow?
I'm too scared. You're gonna hit sand.
So that was ours. The other one don't worry. But we're doing. I want to drive a car.
Why are we doing the grass?
Oh, why are we doing the grass?
Why are we doing it in the grass?
Oh.
The fire might hit the grass. Whoa.
Ooh, three.
Woo! Oh.
I'm like really scared.
Okay, so it's lighting. Oh my gosh, that went. And it went towards me. And it
Ôi vậy là vợ mình nó còn thương yêu mình ha. Nó lo dữ ta. Tưởng giờ hết mình đó.
I'm scared. Not me.
Tốt là gì anh?
Ồ, cái này là anh bốn nhát nè. 4 nhát nè.
Give it a bee.
4 nhát nè.
Dude, why are you scared of a bee?
I don't know. I'm like scared of a bee.
Yeah, I'm not really.
No. Oh, that's out too. I thought it was there.
Whoa.
Oh.
Right there, right there. We're too scared.
Whoa. Everyone's
ra nó mừng à.
Are you scared? No, not really. I'm scared that it will hit us and we die.
It
won't.
fall over and it comes.
It does! Run! Yeah, but at least it has a delay. At least it has a delay. Yeah.
Hide behind the car.
No. Because it has to like when it lights up, that it has to like not have sparks. That one. That's not ours.
Like first it blows up kind of. Then that means
They do have pretty fast. But ours better. Just kidding. I don't know. Nice. Watch out! Ours down and I would never want to ever light up fireworks by myself.
You have to when you're older. You're gonna.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to.
I'm gonna light up.
You are. No? Yeah, I am. I'm not. Yeah, you are. You have to, too. You have to.
Well, please help.
Oh, do it. Yeah, I'm gonna help, but I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, you are. That's the only way you can help.
Well, unless you're trying to
Light it up.
No, I haven't recorded at all.
Giờ nó bò không, chứ đâu đi được đâu. Bò mà chứ đâu đi được đâu. Nghe nổ quá là đi bò.
Really hot. It's like it goes all the way up to space and blows up a spaceship. Blows up our satellite. Get out! Whee!
But you know that one that like shoots up, it blows up, then more comes up for it.
Còn một này nữa là
There's only one more box left, people.
This takes forever to take a freaking. Oh my gosh!
I'm sort of scared. You have to be scared.
That should have bought more fireworks.
If you want to kill someone, get the firework. Aim it down.
You know what's happened?
You do it like this, like a dragon breath cannon.
Oh, you know what's happened? There's so many fireworks, but the wind. Well, all the fireworks are shooting up. The wind, all the fireworks.
I don't smell. Look at that ember.
That one.
hả? Mẹ hả? Tiền rồi thôi.
See ya guys.